fire, water, wind. Earth is fighting back. Over the last 50 years, climate change has unleashed extremes humanity hasn't seen in millennia. A 1.1 degrees Celsius temperature rise, and already, nature's rules are broken. Today, we explore how global warming is awakening volcanoes, supercharging ocean cycles, and rewriting tornado maps. Let's dive in. Iceland's Vatnajökull, Europe's largest glacier, is shrinking fast, losing 400 cubic kilometers of ice since 1990. That's like draining 160 million Olympic-sized pools. As ice vanishes, pressure on Earth's crust drops, and dormant volcanoes roar back to life. Grimsvötn erupted just 3 times in the 1900s. 5 eruptions since 2000. Scientists warn, the faster ice melts, the more volcanoes will awaken. The Pacific Ocean births El Niño, a climate phenomenon that controls global weather. But warming oceans are turning it into a weapon. Since 1980, extreme El Niño events have surged by 35%. In 2015, ocean temps spiked 2.4 degrees Celsius above normal. As the fallout, Africa, 34 million people faced food shortages. Indonesia, wildfires spewed 1.75 billion tons of CO2, equal to Japan's annual emissions. This isn't just weather, it's climate warfare. America's Tornado Alley is moving east. Once centered in Texas and Oklahoma, twisters now strike Tennessee and Kentucky. December 2021, Kentucky, a state unprepared for winter tornadoes, is hit by an EF4 monster. Winds of 85 meters per second, 80 lives lost. Scientists blame warmer southern air clashing with northern cold, a recipe for disaster. And it's only getting hotter. 2019, Australia's Black Summer. Temperatures hit 49.9 degrees Celsius. Wildfires devour 24 million hectares, an area larger than South Korea. 3 billion animals perish. Koalas, kangaroos, birds, trapped in flames. Then, 2020, California. 4.2 million hectares burned. A 1,200-year megadrought turned forests into tinderboxes. One spark is all it takes to unleash hell. But there's hope. 195 nations signed the Paris Agreement, pledging to cap warming at 1.5 degrees Celsius. The EU and China are betting billions on wind and solar. The US is spending $50 billion to tornado-proof homes and upgrade warning systems. Indonesia is restoring peatlands, natural carbon sponges. Canada deploys AI drones to predict wildfires with 90% accuracy. This is a progress. But the clock is ticking. Global warming isn't a distant threat. It's here. Every degree, every policy, every action matters. We've seen how climate chaos rewrites the rules. Now it's our turn to rewrite the future, protect forests, embrace clean energy, prepare for the storms. The Earth of 2050 depends on what we do today. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, hit subscribe. And remember, knowledge is the first step to change.